How does that work? And can you maintain the physical separation and the social distancing while on the job?
Thank you, everyone.
And get people to cut down the amount of clothes they toss.
This whole week has been about clothing swaps, thrift stores, upcycling, mending, going back to like what your grandma taught you how to do. You don't actually have to get rid of a garment because there's a tear.
With people constantly updating their closets, most old clothes end up in landfills. The EPA estimates less than 14% is recycled. And the amount of textile waste has increased more than 650% since 1960.
A lot of people have this stigma of wearing like used clothes. For whatever reason, everybody wants to buy something new, and I'm like, why? When there's so many beautiful things already out into the universe.
Roberts hopes her designs become a model for others to emulate. Nancy Chen, CBS News, New York.
March Madness is huge at Butler University in Indiana, but the most popular figure on campus is not an athlete. Dean Reynolds explains.
Here he comes, Butler Blue III, otherwise known as Trip. For 7 years, Trip has wobbled and slobbered his way into the hearts of Butler University players and fans. A much-loved mascot with an irresistible mug.
What's it been like for you?
Incredible.
Michael Kaltenmark has handled Butler Bulldog mascots for 16 years.
They know when it's showtime, and they love it. They thrive on it.
Trip was introduced in 2012. He's 8 now, and Kaltenmark felt the time to retire had come.
Was this a mutual decision with you and Trip?
I'm not sure how aware he is of his impending retirement.
Having recently undergone a life-saving kidney transplant, Kaltenmark will still work for Butler, but his dog days are done too.
Is the dog therapeutic for you?
Oh, 100%.
Last week was their final home game. An emotional last tour for the two best friends. Next season, Trip's great-grandnephew, known as Blue, will take over. Tough to follow in Trip's big paw prints, but Blue seems well on his way.
Butler.
Dean Reynolds, CBS News, Indianapolis.
Bulldogs are just so cute. Here's a look at some of the stories we're covering in our next hour. Federal officials ramp up efforts to contain the coronavirus outbreak. As the number of cases continues to climb, we will have the latest. Plus, voters in 6 states cast their ballots for the Democratic presidential nomination. We'll take a look at what's at stake as Joe Biden and Bernie Sanders battle it out. You're streaming CBS News, always on.
You can watch CBSN 24/7.
We've got an amazing story to share with you.
Let's talk about the latest developments. There's so many levels to this.
We have a CBS News exclusive.
Fires in California. What happens next and how does it all play out?
We are on a mission with NASA.
I understand you have some breaking news. It's not over yet is the bottom line.
This is a massive operation.
It's quite an adventure here at CBSN.
It's been a day. Wow. That's not normal.
Telling the whole story means going where the story is.
How did you get rescued?
Listening when people